Malipayong Pasko sa Pagkabanhaw. This Easter Sunday will long be remembered by the world because of COVID-19. Globally, the world superpower, the United States, has the highest number of infections and deaths. Americans are being buried in mass graves in New York. 17 million Americans have lost jobs. Last night, we were troubled to hear that Prime Minister Boris Johnson of England was rushed to the ICU because of COVID-19. Here in the Philippines, Manila remains in lockdown, and dozens of doctors and nurses have died. Many continue to be sick and infected. Cases are still going up in Manila and in Cebu, but here in Bohol, by the grace, love, and protection of the Almighty, and the hard work of many people, Bohol remains COVID-free. What message does Resurrection Sunday carry for us in these times? For me, the recurring thought that comes to my mind is that I must die many deaths now in order to prepare for the one physical death that will reunite me with the Lord in eternal life. That means today, I must die to selfishness, I must die to hatred, I must die to impatience, I must die to insensitivity. For in so doing, I believe that I will better be able to hear and see the many people who need my help today. The stranded who want to come home, those in Bohol who have lost their jobs and livelihoods, the sick, the dying, the hungry, the many who want to be heard. Whatever that Resurrection Sunday message is for you, I hope you will find it, because in the weeks to come, you will need that special message from the Lord when you are called to act and help in the defense of Bohol from this virus. Let us offer today all our hardships and sacrifices to our loved ones, to Bohol and our suffering country, the Philippines. Let us unite and do our part by following simple rules and by being generous with our time, talents, and resources. Be not afraid. The Lord is risen and goes before us always.